Welcome to Mingwan School. Let's explore this new campus together. Mingwan School's core design: nature, tech, and environment, creating an innovative and vibrant future campus. The campus covers 40,000 square meters. Total building area exceeds 60,000 square meters, can accommodate over 1,900 students. Integrates teaching, culture, and innovation areas. Seamlessly connects learning, activities, and exploration. Standard classrooms are 80 square meters. Furniture uses ENF-grade eco-friendly materials certified by Green Guard and BIFMA for safety features. LED lighting and panoramic glass walls. Ensures ample sunlight, year-round balances. Lighting and eye protection. Needs 120 square meters. Art room overlooks the sea. Natural landscape inspires creativity, fosters students' artistic and aesthetic growth. Science labs support STEM education, flexible spaces for various tech courses. Labs have safety features and equipment, including emergency power and ventilation. Ensures all-round experimental safety. Clover-shaped buildings connect via corridors, links teaching, sports, and functional areas. Improves foot traffic in all-weather. Library has cozy areas for younger students. Offers social and individual study spaces. Books align with daily curriculum. Uses tiered reading system. Meets diverse reading needs and levels. From beginner to advanced literature, butterfly-shaped professional theatre. Combines with versatile black box space, host drama, concerts, and various events. Sports facilities include indoor courts for basketball, badminton, and volleyball, 400-meter track and field, 25m indoor heated swimming pool. Outdoor volleyball and tennis courts. Kindergarten classrooms are 114 square meters, divided into learning, play, and rest zones. Includes reading corner and gender-specific areas. Ample outdoor and semi-outdoor spaces. Multi-purpose activity room available. Supports music, dance, and reading needs. Mingwan, nurturing through environment and tech. Join us in shaping education's future.